Today we talk about how can you disable calls notifications on your FotMob app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on default match notifications. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you come here to calls and you click in this sign of this color. Then like you see color, it's gone. That's mean calls notifications disable with us now. You go down, click here on down here. So then it's going to add with us here on your FotMob app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.